Okay, so we have two circulators for this boiler for the heat. This one needs to be replaced. The motor is gone, and it seems like this circulator, it's already faulty. I have a couple complaints from tenants with no heat. If you can hear it, I think it's the impeller goes in here. So what we're gonna do, I have the motor, a new motor. We're gonna change this motor and we're gonna switch it to the backup, and I think that will solve the problem.
The pump circulator on a hot water heating system has the same function as the fan on a forced air heating system. The pump is typically located on the return piping adjacent to the boiler. The pump does not shut off the flow of the water when the pump is idle. If the pump does not operate, some flow of the water can be expected through the system by convection. The motor should be beside the pump rather than above or below it. The shaft of the motor and the pump are designed to be horizontal. If the shaft is vertical, the bearings will fail quickly. Conventional pumps require lubrication. Electric motors typically have 2 lubrication ports, and the coupler has 1. These pumps have been around since the 1930s. The performance is excellent as long as they are lubricated. If neglected, they will cease. The water in the heating system lubricates the assembly. The pump may be activated by the thermostat or electric power being onto the boiler. The pump control could be the aquastat that senses the water temperature leaving the boiler. In this case, the pump runs continuously through the heating season. It works more like a paddle wheel, moving the water slowly through the system.
That looks tight.
The pump is driven by an electrical motor, and there is often a mechanical coupling between the motor and the pump. It's time. Let's see how we fix it. We are pushing the water out to the rooms we want to heat.
Gonna make sure all these 4 bolts are 90 to 90% tight. First, you always hand tight every bolt. When you use power tools,
just like the fan on a forced air system, the pump pushes the heated water out to the system and pulls the cold water back. Always make sure that the impeller rotates. The pump does not create large pressure.
Okay, rotate it the same way.
Pumps are usually beside the boiler. They shouldn't be at the low point in the piping because sediment collects here. They shouldn't be at the high point because air bubbles collect here. Air in the pump can damage it.
we got some oil with it. And some instructions. So I forgot to show you guys that this is my transformer. I shut off the transformer. Let's see, it's on. My zone valves are all closed right now. If I shut the power off, they're constantly open. So every zone valve in the building is open right now. Everyone. Until I shut this, until I turn this power on. Our zone valves are constantly open. So no power opens. Power closes. Need power to close. So this is off. Everyone is open. So I did that so I can circulate the whole building and get all the air out and get everybody's zone valve on, circulate the hot water. Alright, we'll give it a few more minutes and we'll turn this back on. Okay, I got the oil in. Everything secure. Cable secure. Oil done. Just gonna test it. Seems okay. Seems alright. Gonna switch. I'm gonna close this. Look at this one. We are offering. Let's see if we get any leaks. Okay. Okay, we got the valves open, and I closed the other two valves, and we're circulating. I don't see any leaks. We're circulating. Now we talk. It's not calling. Oh, there it goes. Calling for heat. set at 180 degrees temperature with a 20 degree differential. So at 160 should turn back on. The water went down to almost 130 degrees. Definitely the circulator was done. That impeller was gone. There's a big difference. Wow. Just on the temperature of the return, because this is the return. Circulators go before the boiler because they push down and they go up. So this is the return line. Working fine. Now we got a babysitter for a little bit. I gotta go check in on a couple apartments. Keep an eye on the pressure. Pressure might go up. This boiler has a 30-pound pressure relief valve. Gotta make sure it don't go up to 30 pounds. Keep it at 18-20 pounds at 180 degree temperature. Looks fine. Sorry. Just checking for leaks. Could be residual. I don't see any drips.